In this video, I'm gonna show you some things you can try to fix the Steam Cloud Sync error. So just open up Steam and go to your library right here. And what we need to do is click on Steam right here at the top left corner and then select Settings. So from here, the first thing that we need to do obviously is click on Cloud right here and make sure that this is selected. Enable Steam Cloud synchronization for applications which support it. So if it's toggled off like this, you want to just enable it and then close out of this. Now the other thing that we need to do is, again, if that doesn't work for you, click on Steam, again go to Settings, and then this time we're going to go to Storage. So right here where it says Storage, you see these three dots. Okay, so click on the three dots and click on Repair folder, and this will repair all of your games. I'm not going to do it right now. Okay, so after you have done this, if Steam Sync Cloud Sync doesn't work for you still, the next step or the last thing you can try is, again, click on Steam, go to Settings once more, and this time you want to select Downloads. And right here, you see the option Clear Download Cache. Now, after you do this, it will ask you to log in again into your Steam account and basically just relog in after this has been done. And hopefully that fixes the Cloud Sync error on Steam. So I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.